struggling with thinning hair, bald spots, or slow regrowth. You're not alone. Finding the right hair growth serum can be overwhelming with so many promises and so little proof. In this video, I'll walk you through the top 5 best hair growth serums that have earned real results, from clinical formulas to natural powerhouses. Each product in this list is broken down with key features, how to use it, and how well it lasts. Let's get into the details so you can make the right choice for your hair journey. Kicking off our list at number 1, Rogaine. The Rogaine hair regrowth treatment is a dermatologist-recommended, FDA-approved topical solution trusted by millions. Known for its active ingredient, minoxidil, Rogaine targets hereditary hair loss at the root level, making it a top-tier product for both men and women struggling with androgenetic alopecia. This product has remained a staple in the hair restoration world for decades due to its clinical efficacy and track record of visible results. Key features: Rogaine's star ingredient is 5% minoxidil, a proven vasodilator that widens blood vessels in the scalp, improving follicle function and stimulating hair regrowth. It features trichoprime technology, designed to deliver the active ingredients directly to the scalp for better penetration and efficiency. It comes in both foam and liquid formats, allowing for flexibility in application preference. Benefits and usage: Rogaine works by revitalizing shrunken hair follicles, extending the hair's natural growth phase. With consistent use, it can increase hair density and slow further hair loss. Apply it twice daily to a dry scalp in the target area, usually around the crown or part line, for at least 3 to 6 months to see noticeable changes. It's ideal for those in early stages of hair thinning. Usability: the foam formula absorbs quickly and is less greasy, which users with finer hair often prefer. It's unscented, dries within minutes, and fits easily into a daily routine. The liquid version is slightly messier but may offer more targeted precision. Rogaine's ease of application makes it a practical option for long-term use. Durability: one 60-gram canister of Rogaine foam typically lasts for a month with twice daily usage. While it's an ongoing commitment, discontinuing use often reverses results. Those who stay consistent often report denser, healthier regrowth within 4 months. Rogaine is a long-term investment that pays off with disciplined application. In the second spot, we have Nutrafol. The Nutrafol hair serum is a high-performance, natural-based formula designed to combat thinning hair caused by stress, environmental damage, and aging. Created by dermatologists, this serum uses plant-based ingredients to stimulate the scalp and fortify the follicles, making it a favorite among clean beauty advocates and holistic health fans looking for a less clinical but equally potent option. Key features: Nutrafol contains a proprietary synergen complex that includes ashwagandha exosomes, peptides, and botanical actives. This blend works synergistically to improve scalp circulation, reduce oxidative stress, and encourage stronger, faster-growing hair. It's also free of parabens, sulfates, and synthetic fragrances, making it a clean formula you can feel good about. Benefits and usage: with daily use, Nutrafol helps boost follicular activity while calming scalp inflammation. It's especially effective for people experiencing hair shedding due to stress or hormonal changes. Apply 4 to 8 drops directly to the scalp once daily and massage it in. The lightweight texture absorbs quickly without leaving residue or buildup, making it suitable for all hair types, including curly or textured hair. Usability: the dropper-style applicator ensures precise, mess-free use. Its watery serum texture makes it ideal for daytime or nighttime routines without interfering with other hair products. Nutrafol is gentle enough for sensitive scalps and won't disrupt styling products or routines. It's also non-greasy, making it highly wearable even for fine or thinning hair. Durability: a single 1.7-ounce bottle lasts around 4 to 6 weeks with daily use. While results aren't instant, many users notice decreased shedding and visible regrowth within 8 to 12 weeks. With continued use, it contributes to thicker, healthier-looking hair over the long term, making it an excellent choice for those seeking sustainable improvements. Coming in at number 3 is the Vegamour GRO. The Vegamour GRO hair serum is a vegan-friendly, plant-powered formula that focuses on clean ingredients and holistic hair wellness. This serum has gained a cult following for its gentle yet effective formulation that supports hair density, growth speed, and scalp health, perfect for those who prefer green beauty products without compromising results. Key features. Key ingredients include mung bean, red clover, curcumin, and caffeine, all known to help block DHT, a primary cause of hair loss. This serum uses microencapsulation technology to enhance ingredient penetration and absorption, ensuring the actives reach the hair follicle efficiently. It's free from toxins, silicones, parabens, and synthetic fragrances. Benefits and usage. The GRO serum works by extending the hair growth cycle while reducing shedding and follicular miniaturization. Apply 1 full dropper daily directly to the scalp, concentrating on thinning areas. Massage gently to distribute evenly. With consistent use, users report stronger strands, thicker volume, and improved hairline density over time. Usability. The serum is water-based and non-oily, so it won't weigh hair down or leave residue. It's ideal for everyday use, whether you air dry or heat style your hair. The soft, herbal scent is pleasant and subtle. Application is quick and fits easily into a morning or bedtime self-care routine. Durability. 130 ml bottle provides a month's supply with daily application. Vegamour recommends at least 90 days of continuous use for full results, with visible changes typically beginning at the 60-day mark. Its blend of botanicals supports long-term scalp and follicle health, making it a reliable and sustainable option for consistent regrowth. Taking our 4th spot is Kerastase Initialiste. The Kerastase Initialiste is a luxurious scalp and hair serum designed for those seeking salon-level transformation at home. Known for its elegant formulation and advanced technology, this serum targets weak, brittle hair by nourishing the scalp and fortifying each strand from the root up, making it ideal for chemically treated or fragile hair. Key features. This serum features a glucopeptide complex, ceramides, and a native plant cell blend derived from Malus domestica, apple stem cells. These components work together to improve hair texture, increase strength, and reduce breakage. It also enhances hair's resistance to daily damage and environmental aggressors. Benefits and usage. Use this serum 2 to 3 times a week on towel-dried hair after shampooing and conditioning. Apply directly to the scalp using the dropper and gently massage in. It improves shine, softness, and manageability while reinforcing the hair's internal structure. Over time, hair becomes more resilient and visibly fuller with reduced fallout. Usability. The texture is silky and lightweight, absorbing quickly without leaving a sticky film. The scent is high-end and luxurious, just what you'd expect from Kerastase. While it's not marketed as a daily use serum, it complements most hair care routines and pairs well with masks or styling treatments. Durability. A 60 ml bottle typically lasts 6 to 8 weeks depending on frequency of use. Results are often noticeable after 3 to 4 applications, with increased smoothness and volume. With continued use, users report enhanced density and shine, making this a great option for both immediate touchable results and long-term hair health. And finally, at number 5, we have the Ordinary Multi-Peptide. The Ordinary Multi-Peptide Serum for hair density is a science-forward, budget-friendly option for anyone serious about improving hair growth without splurging. Known for delivering clinical-grade ingredients at accessible prices, the Ordinary has created a formula packed with active compounds that work at the root level to support thicker, fuller hair. Key features. This serum includes a cocktail of peptides such as acetyl tetrapeptide 3 and biotin tripeptide 1, along with caffeine, redensyl, procopil, and bacophil, all known for supporting scalp health and promoting the appearance of hair thickness. The formula is water-based, alcohol-free, silicone-free, and vegan-friendly, staying true to the Ordinary's transparent ethos. Benefits and usage. Use this serum nightly by applying a few drops directly to the scalp, particularly in thinning areas. Massage thoroughly to stimulate circulation and ensure even distribution. With regular use, the serum targets weak follicles, slows down shedding, and supports the appearance of denser, healthier hair. The ingredients are clinically backed and work best when used consistently over time. Usability. The dropper allows precise application, and the serum's lightweight texture makes it easy to incorporate into your bedtime routine. It absorbs cleanly and leaves no residue, so there's no interference with your styling products the next day. It's also fragrance-free, making it suitable for sensitive users. Durability. 160 ml bottle lasts for about a month with daily use. Users report improvements in thickness and hairline appearance in as little as 8 weeks. While it's a slow and steady performer, Its combination of active ingredients and affordability make it a favorite among those looking for serious results on a budget. Choosing the right hair growth serum can mean the difference between frustration and confidence. Whether you're looking for clinical strength like Rogaine, a clean formula like Vegamour, or an affordable powerhouse like the Ordinary, there's an option here for every hair type and goal. Consistency is key. No serum works overnight, but each of these delivers when given time and patience. Drop your favorite in the comments below, or let us know which one you're trying next. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tried and tested beauty solutions.